Do you know how much time your child is spending on their phone or tablet? If you don't, there's an app for that. All new at 6, News 4's Brittany Weiner shows us the technology to help you get your kids off the phone and ready for the start of school. Brittany?
Tracy, with school starting, it means getting your kids back on that back-to-school routine and spending less time on their phones and tablets. And today, I spoke with a tech expert about how you can actually limit your kids' time on their mobile devices and even restrict some apps.
98% of kids in America have access to mobile devices, including Don Baham's 2 children.
As they got devices, I said, okay, what can I do to help protect my girls?
Baham, who is president of Kraft Technology Group, started by restricting certain apps and features through the settings menu on each device. It's accompanied with a passcode only he knows.
And here you have the ability to toggle on and off areas that you may not want your child to have access to. We require they request permission to install any application.
Something he can also do remotely through the Circle app.
And it will tell me kind of a little bit about the device, allow me to pause the device so there's no internet.
You can also set time limits for internet access and certain apps. On average, children spend about 2 hours and 15 minutes in front of a screen per day. Almost an hour of that time is on smartphones and tablets.
I can go into profile here and see kind of the usage, how many devices, what sort of filter level we're at.
Other apps like TeenSafe monitoring allow parents to monitor locations and texts on their child's phone.
Most importantly, parents, you need to practice what you preach. If you want your kids to spend less time on their phones, do not overuse your phone or tablet in front of them. Tracy?
That's the truth. All goes back to good old-fashioned modeling good behavior. Thank you, Brittany. There are some new ways to manage your own time on social media. Facebook and Instagram rolling out new tools today that allow you to see how much time you've spent on each app on a daily and weekly basis. We have details on how you can get the new features on your phone. You can find them on our News 4 app.